This video is for Hour 12, Understanding Dates and Times. So in this chapter we discuss dates and times of in SQL, how to access them and how to use them. So the very first exercise that we did was just write in this query based on which server you're using, which as I'm using SQL. We'll go ahead and do this first. And if we do F5, whoops. Okay, so you'll see what I did there is I actually typed in the wrong command. That's for MySQL. So you see MySQL uses current date. Why I show this is there we go. So if I use get date in SQL, I get the correct answer. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead, and the next exercise is type the following SQL code to display each employer's hire date. So we just run select employee hire date from the table. There we go. See the employee ID and the date of hire. Number 3, and this, what I'm going to do here is show you again. So with MySQL, they use extract year from date hire, where if we go to just regular, or not regular, to Microsoft SQL, we get a much shorter query that is employee ID, year, date hire from employee pay table. We go ahead and run that, and we can see year of hire for the employee ID, the particular employee ID. What we can also do is pull the day name of the date and hire. So SQL will go in and figure out the day name of the date that the individual was hired on. So we go ahead and execute that. Alright, so as you saw, I tried to run this particular command in SQL. Day name, date hire is the MySQL context. So what I had to do was go back and rewrite the query a little bit. So if you use date name, and then you have to use this DW, and then date hire. So this is the weekday, so it pulls the weekday, the date hire from the employee table, and when we execute that, we get that they were hired on these particular days of the week. So, and then the final exercise is what is today's Julian date. So I believe that this is the MySQL. So how? So actually what we want to do is go back and we'll just do, oops, this. And this does the same thing. So this is the first, actually it's get date, sorry. So we'll do get date, not current date. Current date is MySQL. So select get date, and that gives us today's date. And yeah, so that is the exercises from Hour 12. I'd like to thank you for viewing and have a nice day.